Hi all, I'm Ambiliya and I'm working as a PHP developer in Fire. I'm going to give you a quick review on latest news in tools and technologies that has happened over last month. Dropbox as a true Git server. There is a good way of using Dropbox as a Git server. It allows using a Git remote. Actually, Git remote is just a way to host a Git repository on the server. And it can be installed using the command pip git install git remote. Then it is just act like a bridge between Git and a Dropbox, and it allows to use the shared folders and everything like a Git. And once it is installed, all operations in the Git, such as Git pull, push, clone, and every command can be used. And it totally supports sharing. And the next one is group call in Facebook Messenger. Facebook has announced on April 20th, 2016, introduced the group calling technique in worldwide in its Messenger app. And there's a red call icon. By tapping on that icon, we can initiate a group call, and members engaged in a group conversation can initiate a group call, and anyone who has missed that call in that group can tap the call icon and they can join the group at any time. While group calling is going on, they can maintain individual participants on another screen. It is only available in the latest version of Messenger app. And the next one is end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted at all times in its latest version. It will ensure that all the messages you are sending, any messages, audios, videos, or anything you are sending cannot be read by anyone, not even WhatsApp. And even group calls and group chats, everything will be encrypted. And users does not have an option to switch off the encryption technique. That is, it is encrypted using a key. From the sender side, there will be a key to encrypt, and it is passing through a channel. And at the receiver side, it is decrypted, and they will get the original message sent by the sender. And next one is Facebook helping blind people to experience photos. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg on April 5, 2016 launched a tool that uses artificial intelligence that is to help blind people to experience photos on Facebook. That is usually blind people or visually impaired people uses screen readers that convert speech to text to spoken word. But until now, screen readers are not able to tell what is in a photo. So by using this artificial intelligence technique, they can the certain sound will say aloud that what is in a photo. For example, if a photo of selfie of two people in a beach, then by using this technique, it will say like this: two people, beach, sunset, like that. So by connecting this, blind people or visually impaired people can tell what is in a. They can understand what is in a photo. Then next one is release of Node.js version 6, and the latest version of Node.js version 6 is released on April 26, 2016. That is the three main key features other than in the older version is performance enhancement, better module loading, and test and security features. The key feature is the performance enhancement. Then the module loading is 4 times faster than in the older version, and the older version will be continued to be for 2 months. That is, the developer gets much time to switch from transitive from the older version to latest version, and it has many security features also, so that the developers could write to able the secure code. So thank you.